Number 1, we have the CEL-FI GO X G32. This is the best cell phone booster you can get when comparing it on price to performance, and delivers exceptional cellular signal amplification with industry-leading 100 decibels of gain, making it ideal for rural or isolated locations. It supports 5G, 4G LTE, and 3G networks while intelligently optimizing two frequency bands simultaneously for a single carrier, ensuring reliable voice clarity and faster data speeds even in weak signal zones. The system's advanced digital processing eliminates interference from Wi-Fi and nearby devices, and its automatic gain control dynamically adjusts to prevent oscillation. Designed for harsh conditions, its NEMA 4-rated enclosure resists dust and water, while convection cooling ensures quiet operation. Setup is streamlined with included mounting hardware and a smartphone app for real-time performance monitoring. Users appreciate its ability to cover large indoor areas with consistent service, reducing dropped calls and improving connectivity for multiple devices. The booster's carrier-specific focus maximizes output power compliance, guaranteeing network safety without disrupting tower operations. So that sums up my